Is it true the romance between Donald Trump and Elon Musk it's over? You wanna know everything about that and how this affects Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. We are living in a soap opera, very interesting one between, well, Elon Musk and Donald Trump, two of the most important personalities out there in the world. Pompliano told us the most entertaining outcome is the most likely. Remember, these are Elon Musk words, and we are going to try to figure out what is the most outcome, the most probable to be real. You know already for certain that, well, Elon Musk started saying very bad things about that beautiful bill of Donald Trump. Also, he said that President Trump's tariff will cause a recession in the second half of 2025. Also, that without him, Trump would have lost the elections, and so on and so forth. Not very good stuff what Elon Musk is saying about the president. The president is very disappointed with Elon. He said, I helped him a lot. He knew the inner workings of the bill better than anybody sitting here. He had no problem with it. All of a sudden, he had a problem, and he only developed the problem when he found out we're going to cut EV mandate. So here, Donald Trump allegedly accusing Elon Musk of having all this tantrum he's having and saying all these bad things because he's not making enough money with these deals, which is hard to believe for me. I don't know what's your opinion on all this. Of course, I know mostly that we are not going to know what's going on, that probably there's a plan, that probably they are hiding that from us, and they want us to think about this narrative or this other one, and who knows the truth. But it's hard to believe that Elon Musk moves because of the money or because of the power. He has enough power, enough money already. They say that maybe he's mad because in NASA, the guy he wanted it to be in front of it, calling the shots, it's not going to be that guy. It's going to be another one. So yeah, again, I don't believe this is something that would make Elon Musk go the other way around after all the good work he said about Donald Trump, all the money he invested in the campaign, and all the effort he's done with Doge and all that. Elon Musk said that such an obvious lies, all this about the money, about the EV, and also about NASA. And well, Donald Trump said that the easy way to save money in the budget, billions and billions of dollars, is terminating Elon's governmental subsidies in contracts. It's a surprise to him that Biden didn't do that before him. And well, Elon Musk replied saying that then they're decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. So yeah, we have a huge controversy out there. Some believe this is all just, well, some kind of distraction because they are developing Palantir. Palantir, you know, is this company. They are allegedly spying on all of us for good things in theory. But yeah, now they have all this information, and maybe this is all a distraction for that, or for maybe another reason. Because Elon Musk at some point dropped this bomb. He said that Donald Trump is in the Epstein's files. That's the real reason they have not been made public. He's talking about the files. So yeah, well, we go now deep into the whole all this mess. Some people believe this is just all an acting because they want these files to be out, and Donald Trump has not the power to release them. He needs Judge Pam Bondi, and he needs Kash Patel, director of FBI, to help him with this. And even though these guys were elected by Donald Trump, maybe he has not enough power in order to release these files, with the idea that Donald Trump wouldn't be in the files. So it's just everything an act so that Elon Musk with X, well, he puts pressure on Donald Trump to make pressure on FBI and this judge in order to reveal the files, where we see interesting names, but not Donald Trump's. So what do you think? Are these guys colluding? Consider this was just 7 days ago. Donald Trump was saying goodbye and thank you very much to Elon for all he did and all the effort. You have to remember also the good news that Elon was saying about Donald Trump all the time. He said that he was a very good person and that in all the time he was with him, he saw him doing no wrong whatsoever. So yeah, a lot of speculations out there. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think is going on? Remember the black eye he had there? And some people saying that maybe, well, he wanted everybody to show that he was hit, not by his son, as he said, but maybe Besen, maybe Donald Trump, maybe there was some kind of controversy in the White House and he got punched. He refused using makeup. So, yeah, well, now on social media, you don't know what you can trust anymore. And people are speculating with these images while Donald Trump was saying good words to Elon and he was doing this kind of stuff, which is usual on the guide. Some others believe that they are just having fun and yeah, they just laughing at each other comments because it's all a setup. And more important than that, allegedly they're going to have a makeup well, call today, Friday, and well, markets started recovering at that very moment. Tesla went down for good. Some believe this was also a circus in order to buy Tesla and buy it at a better price. Well, when you know that Elon Musk wants no power, no money, he said that here in this video, where he reminded us of the Prince Pride movie when the character would say, give me power, give me money, I don't care. So yeah, Tesla plummet 17%, then rise again. This is the weekly chart. We can see how we're still in this good trend, but maybe the smart money is trying to buy cheaper. The pre-market looks very good for Tesla right now. And again, the theories go so crazy. Like, for example, right now, some believe that this is all a cover up for a major geophysical event. Some believe that they don't want us to realize that the poles are going to change their magnet. So yeah, who knows about that? And we have some humoristic people out there, like this guy imitating Donald Trump's voice. And in this joke, he would say that he even let Elon Musk's kid to be in office, and he was there being a kid. So yeah, the controversy here is that if Elon Musk knew at the moment that Donald Trump was in the Epstein files, why would he allow his kid to be around the guy? So bad for his image. Again, you have to decide, is this bad for the images? Is this just a play? Well, time will tell us, maybe or maybe even not. And what do you think about Elon Musk? Do you believe he's so naive that he went into the government trying to help and he found out that there were dark forces there and he resigned? Do you believe he sold his soul? He wants to be into politics. He wants to create his own party. Or you still believe he's a good guy and he's trying to do the best for the world and for United States? It's for you to decide. I listen to No Agenda. You know, they say this is a gambit, but I can't wait till Monday's show. I'll leave you the link in the description below because we'll have more information. While everything is happening about this in United States, you can see what's going on in China. This is healthcare in China. It looks like a hotel, but it's a hospital where you have so crazy technology. They are doing better things than playing games on politics. And there you have kids that can solve the Rubik's Cube in just 30 seconds, like this girl. It's crazy how in different parts of the world things are different. Because Elon Musk is not happy with taxes. You get taxed when you earn. You get taxed on what you buy. You get taxed on what you own. Taxes, taxes, taxes. And then what does it get spent on? A bunch of the stuff gets spent of you don't even agree with. Well, Elon Musk, don't go to the best country in the world to go for a vacation, Spain, because there we are now concerned about having to use a DNI, so being identified in order to use these places for our rubbish. So yeah, when you think things are doing badly in United States, consider how are we doing in Europe. For instance, if you are in Spain, remember that you have little time to do your tax report. You have coin tracking link in the description below with a 10% discount. Just two riders already signed up in June. So you better run because you're running out of time. And while we have all this controversy out there, you need to consider that Bitcoin keeps on growing. We just hit the block 900,000. Congratulations on Bitcoin for this good hit. And consider good pieces of information like this one. 4 trillion Wall Street giant JP Morgan just confirmed it will launch Bitcoin and crypto lending. Big banks are moving fast. Buckle up. Very good piece of information like this one. Romanian's largest portal service is going to install Bitcoin crypto terminals. International adoption. Metaplanet in Japan just announced to buy 210,000 Bitcoin by 2027. That's a lot. And Uber CEO said that the company is considering using stablecoins to lower the cost. Stablecoins are going to be the huge narrative, in my opinion, for the next bull run. Remember also we told you that Circle was going public and they are celebrating being listed on the NYSE. So more crypto companies now being public. And as a sum up, we have this phrase: if you're selling Bitcoin because the richest man in the world is fighting the most powerful leader in the world, you have absolutely no idea what you're on. Bitcoin's the solution. What about the price? Well, we broke the line, we went down, but it seems we are recovering right now in 100K. So, yeah, we have very bad news, and Bitcoin doesn't even care. In Europe, they cut the rates 2%. Jerome Powell might do that 18th of June, as we told you in previous videos. And also remember, global monetary supply, it is telling us right now we should go higher. I told you about this in previous video. You have to watch it if you haven't. We follow the path of Bitcoin to lower rates. For me, it's okay if we go down or if we go up. For me, it's a buy in 93,700. It's a sell in 119. And between those numbers, I'm just waiting. Bitcoin in the futures went down as low as 100, maybe bottoming, and we have a V recovery shape. So yeah, good for that too. Remember previous videos, I don't gonna repeat everything, but remember that we are following very closely what we did in Donald Trump's first term, which was 2017. Also remember that we still concerned about the possibility of a new crypto winter. We have to watch well how markets behave today, but you can see how Bitcoin in the 15 minutes chart is recovering from the losses. And also we have this good piece of information, which is that the Bitcoin's 50-day moving average has just broken through 100K, its highest level ever. So good for momentum right now, even though the bubbles are, as time of recording, in the red, and Donald Trump is going down. People don't like him. Also, Dogecoin going down. So everything related with this controversy is going down. But if you go to the tools, you'll see that some speculators and opportunistic people will create some other coins with the same names, and those are doing okay. Remember, do not buy scams and be safe with a cold wallet. Today is the last chance you have. Well, you have till Sunday, but this week was the good deal with our partners, Cold Wallet Tangem. You can have a discount that is more than 20%. It can go up to $36 if you buy the familiar one, or it can go to close to $20 if you go for a 3 cards. Very interesting today. We have a lot of information and a shakeout in the market. If you are a trader, maybe you are concerned. If you are a holder, you are just used to it and you don't mind whatsoever. And now, after knowing all the information, this cat is telling us to stop being in the computer. No more information, no more games today. Go outside and enjoy. I still here researching, so I will tell you all the information you need to know in the next show here on Rodrigo Nieto Noticias Bitcoin. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!